What I'm saying is just a quick fix if you need it like pronto and you couldn't find any professional help at all. This is my quick fix. Hey CD, welcome back to Hazel Faith TV. And a couple of days ago, I had this horrible breakout. Like, for absolutely no reason. I was reading my script for Blue Jeans because I had taping a couple of days later, and while I was reading my script, suddenly I felt this burning sensation, this itching sensation on my face, and I was like, okay, maybe I had a mosquito bite or something. I felt it and it was a lump. So I checked in the mirror and it was a horrible allergy thing on my face. My face was red, there were bumps on my skin, there were like red patches everywhere. And of course I panicked because may shooting ako. And I had this thing on my face na hindi matatago ng makeup. Immediately I tried to contact a dermatologist. Nobody was replying because it was in the middle of the night. So I was like super panicked and I was thinking, okay, maybe tomorrow I'll go to the malls and look for a clinic there. They can help me. I looked. There were no clinics. It was a Sunday and apparently all the dermatologists take breaks on Sundays. Great. So I couldn't find a doctor, and apparently I can't even buy antihistamine topical stuff for the face from over the counter without a prescription, and I couldn't get a prescription because I couldn't find my doctor. I had no choice and I was like, I have taping tomorrow and I can't show my face with this. And then my dad was very ingenious. He found a way to get rid of it through the internet, and that's what I want to share with you guys. Some of you might be going through the same thing where you need a quick 24-hour fix for face allergies or a rash. I did a combination of two remedies, home remedies, based off the internet. I tested it on myself first and it worked already. You can see the difference in the pictures that I'm showing here. It only took me 24 hours to make it go away. So all you need are these items: apple cider vinegar, virgin coconut oil, and pure baking soda. Love you, baking soda. You're my angel. So first off, what you're gonna do is get your apple cider vinegar and some cotton buds. Dip it in the apple cider vinegar. Just get a good amount of it on your cotton buds. It should not be dripping, but it should not be dry. And just dab it on the places where there's a rash. Don't put it anywhere else on the skin. It is going to burn, I'm just warning you. It's gonna burn, it's gonna be hot. It's not gonna be that itchy anymore, but it's gonna be red. It's gonna be like you put onto way too much blush, like a drunk blush. And you're gonna wanna keep it on your face for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes exactly, don't make it any longer because it's gonna burn your face. So after 10 minutes, you wash it off with water and then pat dry with tissue. Next.
Stop it. I'm recording a video. I'm not professional.
Okay, next. Now you turn to the coconut oil, extra virgin coconut oil, and the baking soda. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna mix 1 part baking soda with 2 parts virgin coconut oil. So if you prefer a tablespoon, go tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of baking soda and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. And you mix it in a bowl, and it's gonna look something like this.
I don't know if you can see it. Can you see?
Yeah, it's just like white, sticky water. And you're gonna wipe it all over the rash. Let it stay for about 5 minutes, just 5 minutes. And then you're gonna wash it off with water, pat dry. The oil is gonna still be a little bit there, but that's good. This is supposed to like calm down the acidity that apple cider vinegar has given your face. So, the science of it all is apple cider vinegar is supposed to have this acid and antibacterial stuff that fights the bacteria on your face naturally. And so it kind of disinfects the rash. After it fights the wound, you need it to like, girl, relax, the war is over. So then you put on the baking soda, which is alkaline, so it neutralizes acidity, and coconut oil, which is also a disinfectant but is calming to the skin. It adds moisture, so you're calming the acidity of the vinegar and you're adding moisture to your face, and that's good for the rashes. So you do the apple cider vinegar thing for 3 times a day, and then you do the baking soda coconut oil thing for just 2 times a day. So in the morning I do the apple cider vinegar with the baking soda coconut oil. In the afternoon I just do the apple cider vinegar, and when I get home that's when I do it with the combo 1-2 punch. And I am so happy to say it worked for me overnight. It went flat. I kept doing it the second day and now it's practically gone, and I'm on my 3rd day, and this morning it's absolutely like, it's just marks now. But this, I'm not saying this is like the perfect cure for your rash. You still need to go to the doctor. I still need to go to the doctor to have it checked. I have to understand what made me have an allergic reaction in the first place. I don't know what it is. It may be dust, it may be the air, it may be the weather, I don't know. But I need to be sure, and you need to be sure what makes you have these reactions before you continue. But this, what I'm saying, is just a quick fix. If you need it like pronto, then you couldn't find any professional help at all. I hope this helps, and tell me if it worked or if it didn't, because if it didn't, I'm gonna put a disclaimer here that not everybody's gonna have the same reaction as me. But if it did, leave a like, share, and help your other friends who have face rashes. And yeah, subscribe to my channel for more. And tell me if you want more home remedy stuff, because I'm really into it. This is my first time sharing it. I hope you go home and make your own happiness. Bye! Are you focused yet?